Hello, I'm Tina from College of Charleston Information Technology. Here's a video tech tip for you today. Did you know you could make a calendar invite in the new Outlook from Microsoft Tasks? Yeah, let me show you how. This example is from a Windows machine and Outlook web version. Navigate to your calendar by selecting the calendar icon near the top of the navigation rail on the left-hand side. At the top of the page, on the right-hand side, select the To-Do icon. It's the one with the check mark. Now you'll see your tasks from Planner or To-Do. Select the plus symbol to create a new task, then press Enter or Add to save it. Mark a task complete by selecting the circle on the left of the tasks. Okay, I'm getting to the good part. To create the calendar event for the task, just drag that event to the date in your calendar to reserve the time to complete the task. Now select Edit to fine-tune the event. There's a toggle on the right to set the event as an all-day event. Unless you want to spend all day on that task, turn the toggle off to allow you to set specific times. There's an option to set a reminder too. Use that if you want. Adding the end time will help you manage your schedule. Make sure to save your changes by selecting the blue Save button in the top left of the event creation window. Just like any other meeting or event in your Outlook calendar, select the event to edit if you need to make changes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.